In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a YouTube channel or just temporarily hide your YouTube channel. Make sure that you are in the correct YouTube channel that you want to delete or hide by looking at your avatar here on the top right-hand side. We're going to go ahead and practice this with a channel I created a long time ago. Let's go ahead and temporarily hide this YouTube channel, again, by going to the avatar on the top right-hand side. Then I want to scroll down to settings, this little gear icon. If we look here on the left-hand side of the screen, we want to make sure that we go to advanced settings. Looking down here at the bottom of the screen, you can see delete channel. Deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account, so that is great to know. Go ahead and click this delete channel hyperlink. Now, beware, my friend. If you want to delete your YouTube channel, you cannot recover it. I repeat, you will not be able to recover any of the content once it is deleted. If you want to hide your content, go ahead and click this drop down right here. It says this will hide your YouTube videos and playlists. Select all the following to confirm that you understand. The following will be made private. Your 5 public videos, because I've only made 5 videos on this experimental channel. And then the following will not be hidden: your channel page, your channel name, your channel art and icon. So basically, you get to decide what you want to have hidden. And then once you've decided, go ahead and click the hide my content. If you want to permanently delete your YouTube channel and content, click this drop down. And this will permanently delete the YouTube data associated with this YouTube channel, which includes all of comments, all replies, basically everything. You can choose the following right here. You could select this option right here, any paid subscriptions that you own. And if you select this option right here, it's basically everything that you've done with this YouTube channel, including your search and watch history. Once you've decided what you want to do and click the appropriate check boxes, go ahead down here to the bottom right and click delete my content. I'm not ready to delete this YouTube channel right now, so we're just going to keep it. Click this video on screen now for some additional YouTube tips and tricks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.